Desiree Harris.
This is Desiree Harris. You graduated at the top of the class. Yes, you did. This is
Radesha
Zybri. Was it easy to learn?
It was a little struggle, but I made it through. Yes, it really was easy to learn.
Yeah, because I remember your first day, what you do? You went to sleep, didn't you?
Yeah.
Was it easy to learn?
No, it was first when I got here. It was a kind of hard, but I worked the way out.
That's good. What was your favorite part of the program?
All of it, basically.
Okay.
Well, my favorite part of the program was that we learned about character math and the numerical ladder, and also keys and vowels.
Yes.
I didn't know the vowels had 5 steps, and I did the first time I was there, I was was shady.
Iffy about it, yeah.
But then, right now, I'm, happy about it.
That's awesome.
When we did the ladder.
You like the ladder?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we had to learn, and that makes me learn a lot about my numbers.
Awesome. What's your favorite number or pattern?
The 9.
And why is 9 your favorite pattern?
9 is my favorite pattern because you never stay in one division. You just go on to the next division.
With every number in the pattern?
Yep.
Yup, you're absolutely right.
I think my favorite number in the pattern is I guess it could be 6 or 8.
Okay, and do you have any specific reasons?
Well, my reason for 6 is because I know it's 6, easier to say. It's the pattern of 4.
Opposite.
But it's opposite now.
Yes,
and
yes.
8 is the pattern to 2, but it's opposite again.
That is awesome. Bomb. Okay. 7 is your favorite number. Is it a vowel or a key?
A key.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Do you want to see this program in your school?
Definitely.
Do you believe that this program can help other students?
Yes. Yes, I really do. Yes. Yes.
Do you think it's a necessity?
Yes.
All right. What was the most challenging part of the program? Ooh.
When we took this exam. We had to do 2 papers.
Oh, the work ladder and the array sheet.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
The most challenging part was the division part.
Okay.
It was so challenging. I almost got off track, but I went calm, and then I started thinking.
That's right, and following the steps, right?
Yes.
That's right.
If you take the program and when you first start, it's going to be hard. But when you start it off, it's kind of going to get easy. Oh, yeah, and don't give up.
And don't give up. That's right. Did character math help you with your multiplication and division?
Yes, indeed, it did.
Can you explain how?
It helped me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Because when we was doing our the hardest multiplication problem in class, I took my numerical card out and I used it.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Did character math help you with your multiplication and division?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. In what way? Using the patterns?
Yes.
You're looking at that bug, aren't you? Get out of here.
Well, see, character math is character math is multiplication and division at the same time.
Yes.
It's super easy when you get to know it better.
Was the program fun to learn?
Absolutely. Yes, it really was fun to learn. Yes.
What did you think about your instructor?
The instructor was good.
Good?
And really fun. And
Say that again.
And really fun.
What did you like most about your instructor?
That he always come here to teach us.
That's awesome.
The most sad part is that he has to leave.
I know, right? How do you feel about your tutor?
My tutor, he is awesome, the best, and I would never ever want to leave him.
Thank you.
I mean,
Give me a high five. Do you have anything to add?
I just want to add that whoever does numerical math, please don't give him a hard time.
Wave bye to the people.